Hey guys, welcome back to Introverted Mommy. I'm Michelle and this is my channel. So I still feel awesome, I feel good, but it's very important to me that there's notable progress over this journey, especially, fat to fab 180. I am determined by December 1st to be in a really good place. There's a reason why I made it 180 days. I gotta develop my habits, and I gotta change the way that looks. I have to be posting every single day. It's a journey and we're doing this journey together, guys. I'm still thriving, but I want to see as drastic of results in the next 30 days as I did in the first 30 days. What?
And I call candies.
For candies?
I call candies on here.
Kennies?
Candies.
Oh. It was a good maintenance month. I did weigh myself and I was finally in the 230s, which was awesome. Day 60 to day 90 is going to be a huge push for me. I have got to, push. Jordan feels the same way. We're all in agreement that we're going to push strong in this next 30 days of our Fat to Fab challenge and really see where we can get by day 90. There's a lot of different life changes happening in our lives, and so we have to learn how to pivot and adapt and learn how to be consistent with our health and wellness while we're adapting to life, because what we're learning right now as adult human beings is the importance of developing a new lifestyle. We can't just when life gets tough fall off the wagon, because there shouldn't be a wagon. We're not quite there yet, because in our minds, I guess our mindset needs to be strengthened a little bit. So,
I'll make it.
okay.
I'll make it.
Jaden is going to help make it.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, wow.
I didn't want to run tonight. I don't know what has been going on with me, but just not, it's because I'm taking on more. The last couple of weeks, I have a lot more on my mind, and that tends to weigh the rest of myself down. It's so true, guys. When your mind is weighed down or your spirit is anxious, it takes a huge toll on your physical body as well. And I just have not had the get up and go to work out like I was. I was sitting here and I'm like, I probably shouldn't work out this late. It was 10 o'clock and I'm like, I should Google the bad things about working out at night. And of course I found stuff. And then I was like, let me put in a more objective search. And guys, exercise is exercise. It's good for you no matter what time you're doing it. So I was like, I'm not going to do this to myself. I'm getting out there and I'm gonna run. I don't care if it sucks. It's better than doing nothing. And it was really hard. My whole first mile was so hard, but I just kept running. I kept pushing through and I was like, okay, I can do this. I can do this. I'm not gonna think about it. Don't get in your head, just keep going. And guys, I got to 1 mile and the little woman came on my phone and she said 11 minutes and 21 seconds. What? That is insane. It's a whole minute off of my first mile. And so I was like, okay, I am a flame, or I'm a fire, or whatever that song is. I'm like, that girl is a fire, or something. Anyways, I got to the second mile and it was 24 minutes, guys. 24 minutes, 2 miles in 24 minutes. That is awesome, okay? And then I was like, it's halfway through the summer, or more than halfway through the summer. My goal is 4 miles by the end of the summer. Let's push it. Let's push it until I can't run anymore. And at this point, I gotta tell you, my legs were starting to go numb. And I was like, I don't think I could do this. Guys, I finished 3 miles in 38 minutes, which is huge for me. So 3 miles in under 40 minutes. I only have 1 mile to go to reach my summer goal. So guys, I'm doing it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. So now it's like 11 o'clock and I promised my dog I would take him for a walk. And I can't go back on that promise because I feel so bad. I literally feel like he understands what I'm saying. So I'm gonna do that and put this video up, and that will be it for the night. Thank you so much, guys, for following our journey. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you like it and you wanna follow our weight loss journey. Fat to Fab 180, our endpoint December 1st. All right, guys, reach out.